Hi folks, I'm Dr. Andrew Colson and I'm continuing to talk about the secrets of how I address peripheral neuropathy in my office. Get your thyroid tested now. I've treated thousands of patients over the years and I have yet to see a peripheral neuropathy patient in which the thyroid was not involved at some level. Think about it, your thyroid controls your body's metabolism. It has to be involved. Patients suffering from chronic peripheral neuropathy can have a condition in which their thyroid is being attacked by their immune system. This condition is known as Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Now, most likely your MD has ordered at least one thyroid test, which most commonly is going to be the TSH or the thyroid stimulating hormone. And if you're lucky, maybe they've ordered a couple more. But from your MD's perspective, if that TSH level is within that very wide lab range of 0.35 to 5.0, you're normal and there's nothing wrong with you. But the functional level for TSH is 1.8 to 3.0. So you could still be in the normal lab range in your medical doctor's eyes, but abnormal in the functional or optimal range. It's only when that range is above 5.0 that the medical doctor will put you on a thyroid hormone such as a Synthroid or the generic levothyroxine. But as I mentioned, in a medical doctor's eyes, if your thyroid stimulating hormone is within that 0.35 to 5.0 lab range, you're normal and there's nothing wrong with you. They might even tell you it's all in your head and that you don't need medication because you don't have a thyroid problem, even though you still have all the thyroid symptoms like extreme fatigue or hair falling out. They're going to say that you're normal. Well, you and I both know that if these things are happening, you're not normal. If you would be, you wouldn't be suffering from the symptoms associated with it. And you could be within that normal range, but still outside of that optimal range. Your TSH level could be 4.2, for example, and that's why you're having the problem, which is outside of the optimal range, but within the lab ranges, so they're telling you that you're normal. The same is true for any of the other thyroid blood tests, such as the total thyroxine, the free thyroxine index, the free thyroxine, or the free triiodothyroxine FT3 test. And there are 3 or 4 other tests that need to be run on your thyroid to get the exact cause. In peripheral neuropathy treatment success number 2, we talked about the fact that the #1 cause of hypothyroidism is an autoimmune thyroid, and that there has to be a reason why your body would be attacking your thyroid. And that's what we're going to address in this treatment success secret. There are certain tests that need to be run on the thyroid, not just a TSH or a free T3 or a free T4. There are specific antibodies called TPO and TGB antibodies. And if these antibody tests are positive, you have an autoimmune thyroid. My guess is that your doctor has not run these 2 tests. Now, there are many other tests that need to be run for the thyroid, but these are the 2 big ones to determine if you have an autoimmune thyroid. And if you're autoimmune, you have to find out why. Remember I said there are 2 parts to your immune system, the Th1 and the Th2 system? Well, they need to be working in balance. And if one is dominant or working harder than the other, it's usually because there's something called an active antigen. An active antigen can be a parasite, it can be a virus, a fungi, or a mold. It can be a food protein such as gluten, which is the protein in wheat, barley, and rye, or casein, which is the milk protein. Your immune system could be imbalanced because of dysregulation due to hormonal surgeries or extreme stress. Blood sugar problems or chronic inflammation and high cortisol levels can all cause your immune system to run amok. These problems can all lead to the problem. If you'd like to partner with us in addressing your concerns, please call our office at 763-494-0828 to schedule your exam, and we hope to see you soon.